Oh, here she goes. She's shaking.
Out of the house. You got it.
Oh, there she goes.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe and turn on notifications. Today we're gonna put Lady in a wheelbarrow to take a bath.
All right, that's right, guys. I can't find our doggy pool that we normally give her a bath in, and so this is the next best thing is a wheelbarrow. And it's like 113 degrees today, and so we figure we'll cool her off and give her a bath. Plus, she's been itching a lot. So, all right, let's do it. Are you gonna have a bath with her?
Yeah. No.
You don't look like you're ready for a bath.
It's green.
Okay, what do you got?
This is a pokey brush and a blue brush with a bone on it somewhere, and conditioner and shampoo.
Yeah, first we probably need the brusher, huh? To get all
Hand me the green stuff. No.
to get all the fur off of her.
I already. She stuck it off like a bug. She's a little roly-poly.
All right, get all that dead fur off of her.
Dead?
How much you got? Yeah, look at all that.
Look at this.
Blech.
I already got all their stuff this morning. You should see her this morning.
She's gonna feel so good because it's so hot out here. It's like 113. Okay, brush, brush, brush.
But like, look at that skin. Like, look at that. Like, look at. Hop up in there.
Yep, hop up.
Come on in.
There you go, bath time. Good girl.
Let me go and get.
Come on, reach it. Get it. It's fun to watch you, though.
Nice, stop.
Oh, she's out. You can't run away. It's time for bath time. Let's go.
Hey, Papa. No, your head. What? Rain on me. All over my clothes.
Well, it's a hot day, so it'll cool. It'll dry off quick. Look at that face. She looks so happy to have a bath. Okay, you got her wet enough? Is it time for shampoo?
Yeah. Where's the shampoo? Right here?
Yep, that's the shampoo. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's about like you guys pouring syrup on your pancakes. You guys pour way too much.
Oh, guys. Also, guys, we're having puppies too.
Yeah, Lady is in heat, so we're trying to get her to have some puppies, and then we'll get a video of that here in a few months.
Okay.
What do you think, Lady?
Let's spray her.
You having fun?
Let's spray her. Can we spray her?
Yeah, you can rinse it off now.
Also, guys, when we're done drying her ears turn into a crimp. Very cool. So starting to.
It's like it's been crimped.
Yeah.
It's all curly. Yes, time for the conditioner. Make her smell good. Put it on. Put it on. Whoa, that's good. That's good. That's good.
This is embarrassing.
Are you gonna shake and get that all off?
You can.
Oh, here she goes. She's shaking.
Out of the house. You got it.
Oh, there she goes.
You look like a big lady. Come here. Let's spray you some more. You don't have her color. Lady, we need to spray you.
No, you don't. You don't need the sprayer.
You don't have her color.
Oh, she's fine. It's a really hot day. She'll dry off on her own. Come back. She's done with you. She's done with you guys. Hey. Okay, turn the hose off. Where? You guys got crazy all of a sudden. Where'd she go? Oh. Now she. Hey. Oh. Right in the dirt. You feel better. No more itching. Hey, come here. Sit. 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 Okay, no more itching, okay? Gave you a bath. Should be good. Good for your boyfriend tomorrow. Maybe we should clean her ears out. Look how dirty those are. All right, let's go get her something to clean her ears out.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe and turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Make sure to check out all our videos. Bye. Woohoo!